Are you looking for a modern handgun that delivers unmatched comfort and performance? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the features and benefits of the all-new Walther PDP F-Series PRO for 2024. A pistol that's redefining the shooting experience for everyone. Let's start with the design. The F-Series PRO takes Walther's flagship PDP to the next level. Specifically crafted for those with smaller hands, it features a reduced trigger reach of just 2.56 inches and a smaller grip circumference. It doesn't stop there. Removable back straps ensure you can customize the fit to your liking. And for those who value ease of operation, the F-Series PRO slide requires 20% less force to rack. That's a game changer for many shooters, making it incredibly user-friendly without compromising performance. What makes this pistol truly stand out is the PRO treatment. It comes with a removable aluminum magazine well and extended 18-round magazines with aluminum base pads, making reloads faster and smoother than ever. Plus, the flat-faced dynamic performance trigger ensures consistent, crisp pulls every single time. For those who love optics, the PDP F-Series PRO is optics ready with Walther's PDP 2.0 optics cut. Pair it with your favorite red dot sight and you're set for pinpoint accuracy. Whether you choose the 3.5-inch or 4-inch barrel version, this pistol adapts to your needs. With an MSRP of $899, the Walther PDP F-Series PRO offers exceptional value for shooters looking for reliability, ergonomics, and cutting-edge features. It's perfect for competition, defense, or just hitting the range with confidence. So what do you think? Is the Walther PDP F-Series PRO the perfect fit for you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to experience it for yourself, head to your nearest Walther dealer today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest gear. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.